I'm Jasmine Rubio, grade 7 Simplicity, and I'm going to demonstrate to all of you the common hand tools used in agriculture. Bolo. This is used for cutting tall grasses, weeds, and small branches of trees. Spade. Spade is used for digging canals or ditches in soft and loose soil. Knife. This is used for cutting plant materials. Pail. This is used for cooling or holding water. Shovel. This is used for digging loose soil from one place to another.